So try to apply the brake on this Kia Optima 2015, but as you can see, the brake lights are not working. Doesn't turn on. So we're gonna pop the hood up. We're gonna check the fuse because I believe the switch underneath the pedal is still working on. And we're gonna check this one first. A couple things that faulty, couple things that you need to check. So on the front of your engine, on your right side, there's a fuse box on here. Go ahead and open. The spare is gonna be this one over here. These the wires over here, and as you can see, this side is in this area. So you have the 15 stop lamp. There we go. You see that stop lamp? That's the one you need to. There. That's the stop lamp, which is the one we just removed. Right over here. 1, 2, 3. Just count 1, 2, 3, and the small ones. And that's the stop lamp. We're gonna try and take one of the backup. We're gonna double check. As you can see, it's nice and intact versus this. See, the broken one is the one on the bottom, and the good one is the one on top. Throw that one away, and you're gonna try this one on. I'm just gonna put this thing back here. By the way, you have this included here. It was look like that, so you're just gonna remove it. Put the thing back up and push it all the way in. So you have no backup for 15 amps. We're gonna try to test it out. I'll leave my on the back. Get my sleeper so you can see. Now it's working. So it just those simple things that you need to check when you are. And now my dash is not there already, but there's a traction. Look like this. Before there's a traction, that's the sign that you have a bad brake light fuse or anything else that may cause that light not on when you're braking it. So hopefully this one works and help you guys over there. Here's the Kia Optima 2015. See you later.